They have soulless perfection like a happiness potion. They have dollars that normality is normal. They have soulless perfection like a happiness potion. They have dollars that normality is normal. But perfect,
What is perfect?
and normal.
What is normal?
But perfect,
What is perfect?
and normal.
What is normal?
If my brain goes slower or faster than the rest, if I feel my world is falling apart, if I don't feel like talking to anyone, don't pull me down. We are all different, we are all unique, we all have the same rights. Don't pull me down. We are all different, we are all unique, we all have the same rights. We are individuals fighting against inertia. People don't dare to look, and then you lose your social life. Why? Tell me what the hell it means to be perfect. Forget the labels and be yourself. Good friends will always be with you. Forget that sometimes you have felt small and be reborn, but born the same. Forget the labels and be yourself. Good friends will always be with you. Forget that sometimes you have felt small and be reborn, but born the same. People need to be burned, so be aware and don't be afraid. People need to be burned, so be aware and don't be afraid. If I break the limits, don't blame me, listen to me. If you feel down, it's not your fault. How can we build a more inclusive world? A world where we all feel better.
I think about it and
I have many things to say, I have many things to say, but more things to